Another exercise about padding. Let's see. Another implementation of the padding property lets you specify exactly how much padding there should be on each side of the content in a single declaration. And this is the thing I showed you in the previous video, at the end of the previous video, when I typed one line for all four sides paddings instead of four different lines. But in this example, we have four values instead of two values, and this is because we are setting different values for all four sides. And when you have four values, it goes like this. So the first value is for the top padding, the second one is for the right padding, the third one is for the bottom, and the last one is for the left padding. So top, right, bottom, and left. In the example above, the four values 6 pixels, 11, 4, and 9 pixels correspond to the amount of padding in a clockwise rotation. In order, it specifies the amount of padding on the top 6 pixels, right 11, bottom 4, and left 9 pixels sides of the content. Just like I said, when using this implementation of the padding property, we must specify a padding value for all four sides of the element. However, if the top and bottom values for padding will equal each other and the left and right values for padding will also equal each other, you can use the following shortcut. So two values, just like we did in the last video, at the end of the last video, when I showed you how you can write one line padding for all four sides, but in this example you will have the same top and bottom and the same right and left paddings. The first value, 5 pixels, sets the padding value for the top and bottom sides of the content, and the second value of 10 pixels sets the padding value for the left and right sides of the content. And now let's see the instructions. Change the H2 paddings so they are set in one line of CSS using two values. Okay, I think we set that in the previous video, at the end of the previous video, but let's set that once again. So first value is for the top and bottom, so 20 pixels, and the second value is for the right and left, so 30 pixels. And we can delete those, we don't need them anymore. Okay, let's find that H2, it is right here, so nothing changes, everything is the same. Using two values for the padding property, set the paragraph padding to 10 pixels on the top and bottom and 20 pixels on the left and right. Okay, so 10 top and bottom and 20 left and right. Oops, sorry, I messed up. I set that to the H2 instead of the paragraph. So let's find the paragraph element, and it should have 10 pixels of top and bottom padding and 20 pixels for the left and right, and now everything should be fine, and it is fine. And let's find some paragraphs. So since 1980, let's find that paragraph. Oh, it is right here. And let's play with it. Let's change to 30 and 40. And now paragraph should have a more space around. And yes, now we have more space on the left and right side and top and bottom. Here we have the same. Okay, that should be all for this one.